Alright, let's look at the homework 2.9, problem number 7. Alright, so we have the radius of a circular disc is given as 24 centimeters, so r is equal to 24, and the maximum error in measurement is 0.2 centimeters, so it's going to be delta r, and the dr is equal to 0.2. Alright, so let's do that. Alright, so let's see, r is given, so r is given to be 24. Right, then you have delta r, which is the same thing as the dr, is given to be 0.2. Right, then so the area, area formula is A is equal to pi r squared. Right, then if you take the derivative with respect to r, we'll get dA over dr is equal to 2 pi r. Then if you want the differential, so we can just multiply both sides by dr, we get dA is equal to 2 pi r dr. Right, so if you want to find let's say maximum error in the calculated area, so we are looking for delta A, but we can approximate it by dA, differential dA, which we just found that to be 2 pi, right, r is 24, and the dr is 0.2. Right, so let's see, we want to round your answer to 2 decimal places, so I'm going to just go ahead and compute that using calculator. Alright, it came out to be 30.16. Alright, and for part B, what is the relative error? So relative error is just the ratio between delta A and the area itself. Right, so this is going to be dA over A, alright, is equal to let's see, you have a 2 pi 24 and 0.2, so that's dA, and on the bottom you're going to have pi r squared. Right, so we can cancel, so pi on top and the pi on the bottom cancel out, and the 24 on top and the 1 on the 24 cancel out, and then we can probably cancel 2 too, and this becomes 12. Alright, then you have say, so this is divided by 2, so 0.1, and divided by 2, so that's going to be 6. Alright, so 0.1 divided by 6 would be, alright, this came out to be 0.0167. Alright, then what is the percentage error? So you really have to do is multiply by 100, so 0.0167 times 100 is 1.67. So this is 1.67% and 0.0167, and this came out to be 30.16. Right, so let's type it in. Alright, this was 30.16, and this was 0.0167, and this is 1.67. Alright, so let's submit for testing. Alright, it came back and looks like we got all 3 of these correctly. Alright, that's it. I hope that this was clear.